Students, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, guys. I had a class going on. Okay. So what is the answer for the first? A is a rational number and root B is an irrational number. What is the answer? A plus root B.
And a rational number.
Because sum of rational plus irrational is an irrational number. Oh, sorry, wait. Next, 120 can be expressed as the product of its prime factors. 120, 2, 30,
B, sir.
15. So 15 into, sorry, 2, 15,
Sir,
correct then.
60, sir, not 30.
Which one? No, 60, sorry. Then it is going to be 30. So 3 will go 10 times, 2 and 5. So what will you have? 5 into 2 cube into 3. Correct. Next. The highest common factor of two numbers is 27 and their LCM is 162. If one of the numbers is 54, find the other number. What is the answer? 27 into 162 divided by 54. Answer will be 81. What is the answer for this? (26) into 162. 13 into x. So it is going to be 13. So 13 into 26 is
338.
338.
yes. So what is the answer for this? If one of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial of the form x square plus ax plus b is negative of the other, then
It has no linear term and the constant term is negative.
answer, it has no linear term.
And the constant term is negative.
So how did you get that?
Well, sir, if 1 0 is the negative of the other, the sum will definitely be 0, which implies that it has no linear term.
Alpha
The constant
minus
term will be
alpha.
negative.
So alpha plus minus alpha is 0, correct?
And then their product will also be a negative number, which is the constant term. So the constant term will be negative, sir.
Alpha square is equal to b. Correct. So simple. A polynomial of degree.
3.
If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation polynomial f of x is equal to x square plus px plus q, then the polynomial having 1 by alpha and 1 by beta as its zeros. Answer. So you need to actually find alpha and beta. Will you be able to? Mithun?
Sir.
Yeah, how to find alpha plus beta is equal to minus p. Alpha beta is equal to q.
Q.
So 1 by alpha.
Alpha plus 1 by beta is equal to alpha plus beta by alpha by beta. Alpha into beta.
So alpha plus beta is minus p by alpha
Minus p
beta
by
is
q.
Okay. So 1 by alpha beta is 1 by q. So what will be the answer? X square minus
Right.
sum of the roots. That
Sir,
is
x square plus p by q, x plus 1 by q.
So what will be the answer? Qx square plus px plus 1 is okay.
Yes,
This
sir.
is going to be the qx square plus px plus 1 is going to be the quadratic polynomial. So the product of zeros of x cube plus 4x square plus x minus 6 is.
So
6, sir.
Correct. So the graphs of the equation 5x minus 15y minus 8 and 3x minus 9y is equal to 24 are 24 by 9. Sorry, 24 by 5 are.
Sir, intersecting exactly at one point. No, sir.
I think coincidence. Sir.
Coincidence, sir. Coincidence.
Are they coincident?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
How?
sir.
Sir, because A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by
A1 by
B2,
A2 is equal to
B1 by B2. Yes, yes, C1 by C2.
correct. Ninth one. B. X minus y is equal to 2 and 2 by x plus y is equal to 1 by 5. So x minus y is 2. X plus y is 10.
Yes, sir.
So cancel this. 2x is equal to 12, x is equal to 6.
6,
When x is equal to 6, y is equal to 4.
4.
Next. 217 x plus 131 y is equal to 913. 131 x plus 217 y is equal to 827. So how to solve this?
Sir, add and subtract them, sir.
Okay, we add and subtract, what will you get?
We'll get a linear equation.
So what are the equation you have?
So,
So x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1.
Okay, I'm not checking it. Okay, means I think you took the common multiple and then cancelled out, right? So
Yes.
2x is equal to 6, x will be 3. X is 3,
y is equal to 2.
so option C, 11th one, correct. So 2 power x plus y is equal to 2 power x minus y is equal to root 8. So x plus y is equal to 3 by 2 and x minus y is equal to 3 by 2. Am I right? So what will be the value of,
Sir, I don't understand this question, sir.
okay, see 2 power x plus y is equal to 2 power x minus y is equal to 8 can be written as 2 power 3 and square root of it is half.
Yes, sir.
So this is how much? 2 power 3 by 2. So x plus y is 3 by 2. X minus y is 3 by 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the answer? 2x will be equal to 3. X will be 3 by 2. So when x is 3 by 2, y will be 0. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So the quadratic equation whose roots are 7 plus root 3 and 7 minus root 3 is sum of the roots 14, product of the roots 49 minus 3, 46. So x square minus 14x plus 46 is equal to 0. Option
B.
B. The quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has non-zero roots. If it's a theory question, b square
Sir.
minus 14
C, sir.
non-real roots. So it's imaginary. Yeah. So the sum of the reciprocals of Sharma's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. So how to solve this?
So the equation will be 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5, which is equal to 1 by 3.
So one equation, one unknown. So there is a problem based on quadratic equations, right? So x plus 5 plus x minus 3 divided by x square minus
5x minus, no, sir,
8x.
2x, sir.
X square plus 2x, no?
Yes, sir, plus 2x.
X square plus 2x minus 15 is 1 by 3, which implies 2x plus 2 into 3.
Sir. Thanks, sir.
Any mistake?
No, sir, no.
So 6x plus 6 is equal to x square plus 2x minus 15, which implies x square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. So what will be the answer? X minus 7 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. X would be 7. Is there an option?
Yes, sir.
15A is the answer. I hope everyone is clear with this equation. Next, if x is equal to 1 is a common root of these two, then a into b is equal to common root means substituted. A plus 3 is equal to 0. So 2a is equal to minus 3, a will be minus 3 by 2. So 1 plus 1 plus b is equal to 0. B is minus 2. So a into b is minus 3 by
Minus
2 into minus 2. So answer will be 6.
3. So 6.
Oh,
Sir,
no.
3,
You're
sir.
right,
3,
you're
sir.
3. 16th one, option B is right. Correct. If the sum of the roots of the equation kx square plus 2x plus 3k is equal to 0 is equal to their product. So sum of the roots is
Minus 2
equal-
by k.
So alpha plus beta is minus 2 by k is equal to 3k by k. K and k get cancelled, which implies k is equal to minus 2 by 3. 17C. Next. The sum S of the first n natural numbers is given by S is equal to n into n plus 1. If the sum is 420, then the value of n is, so n square plus n is equal to 420. So n square plus n minus 420 is equal to 0. So what are the factors, guys? So n square plus 21n minus 20n minus 420 is equal to 0. So n into n plus 21 minus 20 into n plus 21 is equal to 0. So n will be 20 or minus 21. So they told natural numbers, so n has to be 20 minus 21 is not possible. This is the answer. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what about the next one? Highest common factor. Highest common factor of smallest prime and smallest composite is 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Smallest prime number is 2 and the smallest composite number is 2. So their highest common factor is 2. Correct? So what is the answer? A or B?
A, sir.
So a constant polynomial always cuts the x-axis at one point. Correct? So what is the meaning of it?
Sir, but then even coincident lines are constant, right?
So what do you mean by a constant line? Y is equal to C is a constant line.
Yes.
So constant polynomial. So I'll just call it as C. Okay, a constant polynomial always cuts the x-axis. Always, this is disturbing me. Always cuts the x-axis at only one point. Is it necessary? It can cut the y-axis also. And constant polynomial does not have a 0. Constant polynomial does not have any 0. Is it true? See, y is equal to C is a line like this. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So when it is going to be like this, it does not have any 0, means it is not cutting the x-axis. So what I can say is A is false and R is true. So show that 5 plus 3 root 2 is an irrational number. So how to solve this?
Sir, first we need to prove root 2 is irrational and then we need to prove 5 plus 3.
Okay, that also you can do. So how you prove root 2 is irrational? What will you do? Root 2 is equal to
First, let's assume that root 2 is rational, that is root 2 is equal to a by b,
A and
where
B are,
a and b are co-primes and b is not equal to 0.
and B is not equal to 0, which implies root 2B
Root
is
2b is equal to a.
sorry,
Sir,
root 2B
root 2b is equal to a. On squaring, we get 2b square is equal to a square.
2B square is equal to A square. So what can you say?
Sir, so a square divides 2 which implies that A also divides 2.
A also divides 2. So what is happening? It is no more going to be a co-prime. So since it is not a co-prime, what can you say? The number will not be.
So not only that, so we need to prove group B also.
Yeah.
We need to
So,
take A is equal to 2C.
Well, so what you can say is A square divides 2.
So,
A divides 2. Okay. Then what can you say?
So we need to say A is equal to 2C, where C is any
2k
integer.
square is equal to 4k
4k
square. Now
square.
what will you get? B square divides 2. So B also divides 2. Right.
This contradicts the fact that they are co-primes.
They're not co-primes. So it's a ratio. Then you can say sum of the rational number and irrational number is going to be an irrational. Next, find the zeros of the polynomial and verify the relation between the coefficients. So what are the zeros?
So 4/3 and -3/2.
So can I write it like this? 6x square plus x minus 12 is equal to 0.
Yes, sir, that's how I solved it.
Yeah. So it is going to be 72. So when you get 72, what are going to be the factors?
8 and 9, sir.
Correct. So 6x square plus
9x minus 8x minus 12. And that will be 3x into 2x plus 3 minus 4 into 2x is 3.
okay. So x will be 4/3 or -3/2. This is what you told?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 4/3 and -3/2. Now what they are asking us to verify the relation, no? So alpha plus beta is equal to how much? -1/6. So 4/3 minus 3/2 is equal to 8 minus 9 divided by 6, which is -1/6. Yes, it is working. So alpha into beta is equal to 4/3 into -3/2. Cancel these two. It's going to be -2. Yes, it is working. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Solve the following pair of linear equations. Very simple questions. So 2x is equal to 10, x is 5. 2y is equal to, 2x is equal to 18. So x will be 9. 2y will be equal to 10, x will be 5. So answer will be 9, 5. Here, add, subtract. Oh, they use by substitution. Oh,
Yes,
sorry.
sir.
Sorry, I didn't see that. So when you need to solve it by substitution, I'll take x is equal to 14 minus y. Take this and substitute it here. 14 minus y is equal to 4. So 14 minus 2y is equal to 4, which implies this one to the left and this one to the right. 10 is equal to 2y, so y will be 5. Similarly, I have y is equal to 14 minus x. Take this and substitute it here. So x minus of 14 minus x is 4. So x minus 14 plus x is equal to 4. 2x is equal to 18. X will be 9. Find the values of k for which the quadratic equation has real and equal roots. So b square is equal to?
B square minus 4ac is equal to 0.
Now b square is equal to 4ac. So first convert it to a standard form. 2kx plus k square minus k plus 2 is equal to 0. So b square is 4k square minus 4 into a into c is k square minus k plus 2 is equal to 0. So 4 and 4 will get cancelled. K square minus k square plus k minus 2 is equal to 0. So k will be 2. K will be 2. Solve the quadratic equation by factorization. First, you need to frame the quadratic equation. So 3 into 3x minus 1 the whole square.
minus
minus
2 into 2x plus 3 whole square.
equal to 5 into 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 1. So 3 into 9x square plus 1 minus 6x minus 2 into 4x square plus 9 plus 12x is equal to 5 into 6x square minus 2x plus 9x plus 7x minus 3. So 27x square plus 3 minus 18x minus 8x square minus 18 minus 32x is equal to 30x square plus 35x minus 3. So what will we get? 27 minus 8, 19. Huh? So 30 minus 19 is 11x square. This is minus 15. So 35 will become plus 50x. Minus 15. Going to the other side, it go plus 15 plus 12. Is it right?
Sir.
No. Here I'll have minus 15.
Yes, sir. It will be 11x square plus 77x, sir, is equal to 0.
Are you getting 77?
Yes, sir.
How? So minus 18x minus 36x. Here minus 24x. Minus 24x. Correct? Now you are getting 77x. So 11x into x plus 7 is equal to 0. So x will be equal to minus 7 or 0. That's it. X will be minus 7 or 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, all these are there in the solution sheet. I'm only discussing the problem, so concentrate. So explain why these numbers are composite numbers. Just give me a minute now once. Explain why these numbers are composite numbers. Can you? So what can I take out common from these two?
13, sir.
13 and
So-
5, sir.
Okay. So first let's solve this. 13 into
7
7
into
into
11
11
into
plus
1.
So what will you get?
78.
So 13 into 78. So 78 again, how can you write it in terms of prime numbers? If you do prime factorization. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So 13 into 13 into 6. 6 can be written as 3 into 2. So this number, either you can multiply everything, again do the prime factorization. So since this number is able to be expressed in terms of prime numbers, it's a composite number. Similarly, for the other one, what will you do? What will you take out common?
5.
5.
So 5, if you take out common, what will you have inside? 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 plus 1. So how much are you getting, guys?
1008.
This one is 1008. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1008 plus 1. So 5 into 1009. So 1009, if you do prime factorization, what are you going to get? This is a textbook problem actually. So 1009, what can you do? Can we do any prime factorization for this? I don't think so. So since you
No,
are not,
sir.
yes. So 5 is a prime number and 1009 is a prime number. Since it is able to be expressed as, so since it is able to be expressed as the product of prime numbers, it is going to be a composite. Right?
Yes.
Next. Find the quadratic polynomial, sum and product of zeros are -1 and -20 respectively. Also find the zeros of the polynomials obtained. I've already given. So find the quadratic polynomial whose sum and product. So sum of the zeros is -1. Product of the zeros is -20. So what will be the polynomial? X square plus x
-20.
minus 20. So this is the quadratic polynomial. Find the zeros of this. X square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. So x plus 5 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. X will be -5 and 4. Here.
Yes, sir.
So, which problem is this? 27. So find the zeros of the polynomial 3x square minus 2 and verify the relation between the zeros and the coefficients. So 3x square minus 2x is equal to plus or minus 2 root 3. Sorry, 2 by root 3. Am I right?
Yes,
Sum
sir.
of the zeros. So alpha plus beta is how much? 0. So since you don't have a middle term here, it's verified. So alpha into beta is how much? 2 by
-2 by
3.
3.
Is it not? 2 by root 3 into minus 2 by root 3.
No, sir, it's the whole root, sir.
Oh, sorry. I hope you understood. So it's actually a simple problem. Solve the following system of equations by substitution method. This, I think you could have done it. So what will be the answer? X is 32 by 5.
Yes, sir.
So 2y is 14. 2x minus 3y is equal to 11. 4x is equal to 35. 4x.
Sir, we need to subtract 2x and 2x.
Yeah, we need to subtract. So you get
Minus 5y is minus 5y. No, 5y.
Only, 5y is equal to 5. 5 will 3. So y will be 3 by 5. 1 minute, let me check. Y is 3 by 5. So x will come out as 32 by 5, but don't use elimination method. See, actually for this problem, substitution is easy only. Take this and substitute it here. So 14 minus 2y minus 3y is equal to 11. So 3 is equal to 5y. So y will be 3 by 5. Similarly, y will be equal to 7 minus x, substituted there. So 2x minus 21 minus 3x is equal to 11. So 2x minus 3x is minus x is equal to, sorry, this is plus. So 5x is equal to 32. So x will be 32 by 5. Right. The product of Shika's age 5 years ago and her age 8 years later is 30. So x minus 5 and x plus 8 is 30. arrange at both times being given in years, find the percentage. So x square x square plus 3x minus 40 is equal to 30. So x square plus 3x minus 70 is equal to 0. So x square, or I can write x plus 10 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. So x will be 7. So our percentage is 7 years. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So 31st problem. Find the roots of the equation if they exist by applying the quadratic equation formula. So x is equal to minus b. So what is minus b? Root 3 plus 1 plus or minus root of b square. So root 3 plus 1 the whole square is 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 AC, that is 4 root 3, the whole divided by 2. So root 3 plus 1 plus or minus root of, how much will you get? So what will be the answer, guys? Root 3 plus 1 plus or minus. What can I write this as?
Root 3 plus 1 the whole square.
Tricky part. Root 3 minus 1 the whole square. The whole divided by 2. So it will be root 3 plus 1 plus or minus. It will be root 3 minus 1 the whole divided by 2. So what will be the answer? Root 3 plus 1 plus root 3 minus 1 by 2. Root 3 plus 1 minus root 3 minus, sorry, plus 1 by 2. So root 3 and root 3 are lost. 1 and 1 are gone. So 2 root 3 by 3 is root 3. And 2 by 2 is 1. So root 3 comma 1 is the answer. It's correct. That was the formula, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So beta and 1 by beta, the zeros of the polynomial alpha square plus alpha into x square plus 61x plus 6 alpha, then the find values of beta and alpha. Beta and 1 by beta are the roots. So what is beta plus 1 by beta? 61 by alpha square plus alpha. So beta into 1 by beta is 6 alpha by alpha square plus alpha. How to solve this? So can I say alpha square plus alpha is equal to 6 alpha?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can I take this and substitute it here? So beta square plus 1 by beta is equal to 61 divided by 6 alpha. Now how do I proceed? How do I proceed? How many of you solved this?
Sir, I didn't solve this, sir.
So if you observe this, alpha square minus 6 alpha plus alpha is equal to 0. Correct. So can I write this as alpha square minus 3 alpha, sorry, alpha, this is 1. Alpha into alpha minus 5 is equal to 0. So alpha is equal to 0 or alpha is equal to 5. Am I right? Guys, am I clear? Is there any doubt? So alpha cannot be 0. Why? Because here you are coming in the denominator. If alpha is 0, then coefficient of x square will be 0. It cannot happen. It will not be a quadratic polynomial. So alpha is equal to 5. If I substitute 5 here, then I'll get beta square plus 1 by beta is equal to 61 by 30. Got it? That implies 30 beta square plus 30 is equal to 61 beta. So 30 beta square minus 61 beta plus 30 is equal to 0. So how to solve this?
Sir, I use the quadratic formula.
Yeah, you can use it. So what is the answer you got?
Minus
you a-
5 by 6 and minus 6 by 5.
Correct. You will get
Sir, so
minus-
which should we take as the answer?
Which one? What? Come again?
Sir, so both can be the solutions.
Yeah, both can be the solutions. As long as
Sir,
it is
I
an
got
on.
minus 6 by 5.
But check with the coefficients and see, no? Check with the coefficients and see. So alpha square plus 5 alpha is how much? 25 plus 5, 30x square plus 61 into, sorry, 61x plus 30 is equal to 0. See, what is beta by 1 plus beta? See, beta plus 1 by beta is 61 divided by alpha square plus alpha. Is it 61 by 30?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if I take beta as minus 5 by 6,
Sir, shouldn't it be minus 61?
minus should not exist. Is it minus 61? Yeah, it is minus 61 by 30. Then here it should have been minus, this is plus 61.
Sir, it's minus 6 by 5.
Correct? Now I changed it.
Sir, no, I'm talking about the zeros. It's minus 5 by 6 and minus 6 by 5.
Minus 6 by 5. So minus 5 by 6 minus 6 by 5 is how much? Minus 25 minus 36 divided by 30. It's coming out as minus 61 by 30. It's working. So you're saying minus 5 by 6 and minus 6 by 5.
Yes, sir.
That's what is given. So I didn't check it. Minus 5 by 6 and minus 6 by 5. Correct. Because if you take this as beta, that's what they've given. No, beta and 1 by beta are the zeros. So if you get beta as minus 5 by 6, the 1 by beta should be minus 6 by 5. So how many of you didn't attempt this problem? Okay, now you got it, no? No. Alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 6x square minus 5x plus k, such that alpha minus beta is 1 by 6, the value of k is. So alpha plus beta is how much?
5 by 6.
5 by 6.
Alpha beta is k. So alpha minus beta is 1 by 6. So two linear
Sir,
equations solved.
alpha beta is k by 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 2 alpha will be equal to 5 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is going to be 6 by 6, which is 1. Alpha is half. What about beta? Beta will be 2 beta is equal to 5 minus, this is 4 by 6 is going to be 2 by 3. So what is alpha beta equal to k by 6? But alpha into beta is going to give you half into 2 by 3, which is equal to k by 6. What will be the answer?
K equal to 1.
So beta isn't 2 by 3,
Sir,
sir.
2 by 3 only, no?
It's
Sir,
1
actually,
by
it's a
3, sir.
No, you're getting 4 by 6, no?
Sir, I actually
Correct.
use a different method.
Sorry. 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 means that k will be equal to 1. So beta is 1 by 3. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 is equal to k by 6. So this and this will get cancelled. K will be 1. Let me check the answer. K is 1.
Sir, I actually did it as alpha minus beta equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta whole root.
Yeah, that also you can use.
Okay, sir.
But you need to use an under root. Did you use this thing? Root of alpha plus beta the whole square minus
Yes,
4
sir.
alpha. You need to use a square root. That also you can use. Okay. So this question actually came by mistake. You don't have graphical methods, no? Do you know to draw the graphs?
We know, sir, but I think it's omitted.
So you'll get marks for this. 34 you will get marks. So length of a sides of rectangle, length of sides forming right angle of right angle triangle are 5x and 3x minus 1. If the area of the triangle is 60 centimeters square, find its hypotenuse. Can we? So half into 5x into 3x minus 1 is equal to 60. So what will you get? 15x square minus 5x is equal to 120.
120.
So 15x square minus 5x is equal to 120. So 15, I can cancel this with 5, 3. This goes 24 times. So 3x square minus x minus 24 is equal to 0. You're getting 72. So 3x square minus, tell me, 9x plus 8x minus 24 is 0. So 3x into x minus 3 plus 8 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 8 by 3 or 3. So minus 8 by 3 is not possible because this can't be negative. So one of the sides is going to be 3, other side will be into minus 1. 8. So what will be the hypotenuse? Root of 9 plus 64. So root 73 should be answer. I'm sorry. So 15, it should be 17. Because 8, 15 and 17.
8 and 7.
Don't forget the units, it is 17 centimeters. Shall I proceed to the next one?
Yes, sir.
So what is it? Parabola. So okay, all these things are not in mathematics. Parabola is a curve. Okay, it's okay. General form of a polynomial is this I have explained in the class. Option, the general form.
Option C, sir.
No. This is the answer.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah. So a and x power n plus n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus a n minus 2 x power n minus 2. It keeps on going till a naught. So what type of polynomial this graph shows? Simple. It's a parabola. Parabola is by quadratic polynomial.
Quadratic, sir.
So in the equation ax square plus bx plus c, if the curve passes 0, 0, minus 3, 4 and 3, minus 4, the value of a b is.
So I got option C.
X plus bx plus c. So 0 will be equal to c. When I substitute 0, 0, 4 will be equal to a square minus I get minus 4 is equal to plus 3b. So I subtract both, I get b also as 0. that what I'm getting? B is 0, C is 0. So option C should be the right answer. When B is 0, A square will be equal to -4. So how can A square, sorry, 9A. 9A will be -4, so A is -4/9. Did you understand what I did? Is there anyone who's not clear?
So can you repeat again?
Sure. See, if y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, they are given 2 points. So x is 0, y is 0. So when I'll get 0 plus 0 plus. This implies c is equal to 0. Did you understand? When I substitute all
Yes, sir.
minus, what is the value of y? -4 is of x, I'll substitute -3. So 0. So 9a minus 3b is -4. Similarly, when I substitute 3 comma -4, so -4 is equal to 9a plus 3b. So when you subtract both, this will get cancelled. This will get cancelled. So b will also come out to be 0. When b is equal to 0, you substitute it back in any one of the equation, you will get a is equal to -4/9. So the answer is C.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Got it? Yeah. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
So according to the given condition, question number 3, the equation of the parabola is so y is equal to -4/9 x square. That's it. Because a is -4/9, b is 0, c is 0. So answer will be C.
C.
Got it. So which of the following is not the graph of quadratic polynomial? Obviously,
D.
B. It is for, by the way, for it is for which polynomial?
Cubic.
Because there are 3 zeros. Okay. Ticket counter on bus stand. Okay, then from Bangalore bus stand, if Renu buys 2 tickets to Malleshwaram and 3 tickets to Yeshwanthpur, cost rupees 46. But if she buys 3 tickets to Malleshwaram and 5 tickets to Yeshwanthpur, then the cost is 74. So first situation represented graphically. Consider the fares from Bangalore to Malleshwaram and that to Yeshwanthpur as X and Y. So Malleshwaram is X, Yeshwanthpur is Y. So how do I write it mathematically, guys? 2x plus
2x plus 3y equal to 4.
wait. Option C and D are the same. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So you will get for whether you marked it as C or D. Okay. Second situation can be represented algebraically as, tell me.
3x plus 5y
5y
equal to 74.
3x plus 5y is 74, option C.
Option C.
So now you have two equations. 2x plus 3y is equal to 46 and 3x plus 5y is equal to 74. So when you solve these two equations, what are you getting? You can use elimination method.
So
46
x equal to 8 and y equal to 10.
X is 8, y is equal to 10. I'm not checking it because I'm assuming you can solve. X is 8, y is 10. So the fare from Bengaluru to Malleshwaram, how much is it?
Rupees 8.
Fare from Bengaluru to Yeshwanthpur, rupees 10.
Rupees 10.
The system of linear equations represented by both situations has Answer. It's very simple. You have already solved and you got one solution.
Infinite.
It has unique solution. See, you solved and you got one solution. No, x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 10. That's the unique solution. So answer is unique solution.
Okay, sir.
So Mr. Pawan Jindal arranged a lunch party for some of his friends. The expense of the lunch are partly proportional to the number of guests. The expenses amount of rupees 650 for 7 guests and 970 for 11 guests. Denote the cost expense by X and proportional expense per person as by and L. How to solve this?
So x plus 7y equal to 650 and x plus 11y equal to 970.
So what is the option?
A.
Next. Proportional expense of each person.
Rupees 80.
You solved both. X plus 7y is equal to 650 and x plus 11y is equal to 970. When you solve, yes, the answer should come out as
80, 90.
80 and the fixed cost
And 90.
expense. Correct. If there were 15 guests at the lunch party, then what amount Mr. Jindal has to pay? So X is 80.
1290.
Fixed expense is 90. Yeah? 90 plus 15 into 80. How much are you getting, ma? 90 plus
1290.
how much is that? 1290 will be the answer. Correct. The system of linear equations representing both the solutions will have obviously
Unique solution.
right. We are done. So it was easy only, no? Right?
Sir.
Who will get center? No one.
No, sir.
Because of that question, that beta plus 1 by beta.
Sir,
Yeah, is it because of that? Okay, let's see.
no, sir, I attempted that, but I wasn't there for half the class. I don't know if I got right at all.
But you only told me the answer, no? You solved it with me, huh?
Sir, yes, that I did that. I attempted that one. I just joined, so I don't know if I got the others right.
So that is the only question which created problem, or else everything was fine, no? Let's see. Let's see once the correction are over, we'll be able to judge it. Okay. We'll wind up.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.